How to log in Harbor Freight credit card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, tap open or head over to harborfreight.com. Over here, you'll be able to apply for credit card as well if you have not created one for you. All you need to do is just simply tap on apply now and fill out some of the personal details. Once you have got yourself a credit card, just tap on your username icon and head over to sign in. To sign in into your account, all you have to do is enter your email address and password. Then tap on the sign in button. If you have forgotten password, just tap on it, then enter email address, then follow the prompt. Once you have successfully signed in into your account, you can head over and navigate to the option of Activate Card. Simply tap on the option. They might ask you some of the personal information, so be ready to give them those. You can also tap on Contact Us button if you face any of the difficulty regarding the activation. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.